PointSlope form is so cool. We've seen how to write it. Now let's see how we can graph linear functions from PointSlope form. So we have this PointSlope form equation, y minus 3 equals negative 2 times x plus 1. And we want to... What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Stop that. No, that's not necessary. What? It looks like the hand is turning it into slope-intercept form. No, we don't need it as slope-intercept form. Really? No. No. No, we don't want that. Yeah, I know. I know. Ignore. Okay, let's not ignore the hand. The hand is showing us that you can convert point slope into slope-intercept, and yes, I know. The y-intercept is 1. The slope is negative 2. So you start at 1, down 2 over 1. I get it. So we can convert point slope to slope-intercept and graph it that way. But that's a lot of extra work we don't need to do. Okay, enough. I get it. Let's show them a better way. Yes, a better way. Let's just start with the original point slope form of the equation. Point slope, point slope, point slope form. We have a point and a slope in the equation. So y minus 3 equals negative 2 times x plus 1. Yeah, right, like that. So what is the point? What is the slope out of the equation? M represents the slope. Look at that. Negative 2. Negative 2 is the slope. What is the point? Well, x minus x1, y minus y1. So we have x plus 1, so that means the x value is actually negative 1. X minus negative 1 would give us the x plus 1 in the equation. Y minus 3 gives us the 3 for the y value. Now we plop down this little graph. Plop down this little graph. There we go, thank you. And we're going to use negative 1 comma 3 as the point where we start the graph, and then use the slope of negative 2. So we have that point, negative 1 comma 3, the ordered pair right out of that equation. We have the slope negative 2 right out of the equation. Start at that ordered pair, use a slope down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Graph the line. That's the easy way to graph point slope form. Much quicker than... I know. You get the same results, right? But you took longer the first time. Let's try another one and just see how quick and easy it is to go directly from point slope form. Let's see what we got here this time. Y plus 2 equals 1/4 times, x plus 4. So what's the slope? What's the point? Slope, that's the m value, times the x minus x1. So in this case, the slope is 1/4. We get that right out of the equation. In the equation, we have x plus 4, reminding ourselves that it used to be x minus x1. So if it's x plus, that means the x1 value was negative. So we have negative 4. Same thing with the y value. Y plus 2 means the y value is negative 2. So we have this ordered pair, negative 4, negative 2. We have a slope of 1/4. Now, on the coordinate plane, we can start at the ordered pair we pulled out of the equation, negative 4, negative 2. So we put a point there. Then we use the slope, 1/4. Up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. And we can do that as many times as we'd like until we can draw an accurate graph. So from the point slope equation, we got the slope, we got the ordered pair. We use that ordered pair to plot a point on the graph. We use the slope to see where that line would go, and then we drew the line. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's the way to graph using point slope form.